Day 8 of the 21-day Ndebele Challenge, ilanga lesishiyagalombili. Ngiyakwamukela mfundi, ibizo lami nguBongiwe Mntambo. Namuhla ngifuna ukuthi ngibone ukuthi uyakhumbula yini ukuthi amehlo ami, amehlo akho, amehlo akhe. I want to see if you remember how to say all that, right? Whereby you are simply saying my eyes, your eyes, his or her eyes. First person, second person, third person. I need. So let's see how many of these 8 we've already done amehlo. I've already given you amehlo. So we're going to take it from number 2 and we're doing 8 body parts. All right, let's see if we can do this correctly. The first one we have is amazinyo. Please have your notebook. Please have somewhere where you're writing something and writing your corrections as well. Okay, so amazinyo. How do you say my, your, his or her? We're talking about teeth. Anit, what do you say? Here we go. Amazinyo ami, amazinyo akho, amazinyo akhe. Did you get that correct? All right. Number 2, amazwane. How do we say it? Amazwane ami, amazwane akho, amazwane akhe. Is that what you said? All right. So that's you saying what? My toes, your toes, his or her toes. Right. Number 3, amakhala. Amakhala means what? The nose. I need amakhala. So how do you say my, your, his nose? Amakhala ami, amakhala akho, amakhala akhe. Angithi? All right, siyaqhubeka. Inwele. What are we talking about when we say inwele ngesindebele? We're talking about the hair. Angithi inwele. So let's do it. My, your, his or her hair. Inwele zami, inwele zakho, inwele zakhe. Angithi inwele, we talk about it in plural like that. Inwele zami. All right. Moving on to the next one, indlebe. Indlebe. How do you say my? Indlebe zami. We're talking about both ears. I need indlebe zami. And then indlebe zakho wena. And the third person, indlebe zakhe, him or her. All right. Isandla mfundi. Sit in. My hand. Isandla sami. Your hand. Isandla sakho. And then his hand. Isandla sakhe. All right. Let's do the plural of isandla. That's your number 7. What are you going to say? Izandla. Let's do it. Izandla zami and izandla zakho. And then izandla zakhe. Nicely done. Lastly, we have iminwe. Which body part are we talking about when we say iminwe? We're talking about the fingers. How would you say my fingers, your fingers, her fingers? Iminwe yami. Angithi iminwe yakho. And then iminwe yakhe. All right. So as you already know, I think isandla, izandla, those are the simplest ones to remember. IS words. Isandla sami. And when you take it to the plural, you now say izandla zami. The S goes with S, isandla sami, and then the Z, izandla zami. All right, that applies to other items also when we talk about them ngesindebele. Angithi. Right, so let me know if this is helping you revise, strengthen, lolonga your Ndebele, sharpen your Ndebele. Let me know in the comments. And then inqobe. I'm going to give you a sentence in English. Write it in Ndebele in the comments below. Angithi. The sentence is, your ears are big and your eyes are nice. Right? How would you say that in Ndebele? Let me know in the comments. And let's meet with day 9. let's continue to improve isiNdebele and speak with more confidence and become fluent. Why not? See you next time.